Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to design a beautiful two-page funeral program from start to finish using Canva. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create a fully customized and print-ready funeral program that feels meaningful and memorable for your loved one. If you've been feeling overwhelmed or unsure where to start, don't worry, I'll guide you step by step in a simple and clear way. First, head over to Canva using your browser. You can use either the free or paid version. If you don't have an account yet, sign up. It's quick and free. Once you're logged in, click on the Create a Design button at the top right. In the search bar, type in Funeral Program and select it to access suitable templates. Canva will show you a variety of designs, from simple and classic to more modern styles. Take your time and choose one that matches the tone you want. If needed, you can search for two-page templates or manually add pages by clicking Add Page at the bottom. Think of each page as a section, like the cover, order of service, photos, and acknowledgements. Now start customizing your template. Click on text to edit names, dates, and messages. Replace images with your own photos to make it personal. You can also adjust colors to match a theme or preference. Take your time here and don't rush. This is where you add meaningful touches. Once everything looks perfect, click on Share, then Download. Choose PDF print format to ensure high-quality results for printing. That's it. You've successfully created a meaningful two-page funeral program using Canva. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching.